Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best automatic smart cat litter box available right now. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the TonePie T Pro. Let's get started. Product feature: Smart cleaning technology. Say goodbye to the daily chore of scooping. This smart system handles the mess for you automatically, ensuring your cat always has a fresh and hygienic place to go without you lifting a finger. One-click replacement. Emptying the box is a breeze with the one-click litter replacement feature. In a single action, old litter is cleared out, truly freeing your hands from tedious maintenance and messy bags. Ionic deodorizer. Breathe easy with safe, non-toxic ionic technology. It activates after your cat finishes, neutralizing odors effectively without needing any expensive or chemical-heavy consumables to keep your home smelling fresh. Multi-cat capacity. Whether you have one furry friend or a family of 3, this spacious design accommodates multiple adult cats comfortably, making it an ideal choice for busy multi-pet households. App connectivity. Stay connected even when you are away. Use the dedicated app to monitor usage data, receive alerts when the box is full, and adjust cleaning modes right from your phone for total peace of mind. Safe structural design. Inspired by lunar capsules, the patented integrated bin and cylinder design ensures your cat never gets stuck, providing a secure and comfortable environment for your beloved pets. Easy accessibility. With a low front entry height of just 5.9 inches, even short-legged kittens or senior cats can enter and exit safely and comfortably every single time, ensuring no cat is left behind. Pros: this litter box is a lifesaver for busy cat parents who want the best for their feline family. The Ionic deodorizer is a real game changer, keeping your home smelling wonderful without the constant hassle of buying filters. We love how the app keeps you informed about your cat's habits, providing peace of mind. It's a spacious, safe, and truly modern solution that makes pet care feel effortless. Cons: while the design is incredibly efficient, you will need to be mindful about keeping the base dry to ensure the electronics stay in top shape. It also has a larger footprint than a standard box, so you want to ensure you have the perfect spot cleared out in your home for this high-tech upgrade. Final thoughts: your cat deserves a clean, stress-free space, and you deserve a home that feels fresh and inviting. The TonePie Ti Pro really bridges the gap between advanced technology and heartfelt care. It is about more than just a litter box. It is about giving yourself more quality time with your pets while ensuring their hygiene is handled. Seeing your cats happy and comfortable makes this a beautiful investment. Take the first step toward a cleaner home today. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video. See you next time.